Now let's understand the Dockerfile of Java or Spring Boot. It's same. We are taking example of multi-stage Docker build for the Java or Spring Boot. Stage 1 is builder, stage 2 is runtime. We use JDK to build and a JRE lighter to run. Let's compare Java Spring Boot with Node.js Dockerfile approach. What's same? Multi-stage build, both split into builder and runtime stages. Builder stage installs dependencies. In Node, it was npm install. In Java, it is nv clean package. This downloads dependencies plus jar. Copying the source code. Both bring in app code after dependencies. Runtime stage is Slim. In Node, it was Node 18 Slim. In Java, it is Eclipse Temurin 17 JRE Alpine. This is the Java runtime. CMD or entry point defines the entry point. Node runs on node server.js. Java runs on java space -jar space app.jar. So what's different? Language type. In Node.js it was interpreted. In Java it is compiled to bytecode. Dependencies are npm install, that is node modules. In Java it is nvn package, that is downloading dependencies plus builds jar. Build step. In Node.js it is none. Runtime interprets JavaScript. In Java or Spring Boot it is nvn clean package that produces a jar file, which is a compiled file that gets converted into the bytecode machine language. Runtime image. In Node.js it needs node runtime, that is node 18 Slim, for example. In Java Spring Boot it needs Java runtime JRE. Output artifact. In Node.js it is app plus node underscore modules. In Java or Spring Boot it is single jar, that is app.jar, which is a compiled app.jar. CMD entry point. In Node.js it is node server.js, which means if we run the application locally, we would be using node server.js as a command to run our application locally. So we add that CMD entry point in the Dockerfile. So in Java, it is java-jar app.jar. Summary of Java or Spring Boot Dockerfile. Stage 1 builder feels familiar, installs dependencies, copying the code, preparing the artifact. The difference: instead of node underscore modules, Java produces a jar file that bundles compile code plus dependencies. Stage 2 runtime is similar. Slim runtime image, copying the artifact, running it. Instead of node server.js, we run java space -jar space app.jar. So the mental model would be node, that is installing dependencies plus running the JavaScript files. In Java it is compile plus package into jar plus running that jar with Java virtual machine. So that was about Java or Spring Boot Dockerfile, pairing it with Node.js Dockerfile.